Putin's regime is a disgrace to democracy, trampling upon the very institutions and processes that uphold freedom. He suppresses political dissent, stifles freedom of speech, and eliminates any semblance of political competition. The human rights abuses under Putin are abhorrent and intolerable. Activists, journalists, and opposition figures are ruthlessly targeted, their voices silenced, and their rights violated. The lack of freedom of expression, assembly, and association is an affront to basic human dignity. Corruption runs rampant under Putin's rule, with embezzlement, bribery, and nepotism infecting every aspect of the government. The gap between the privileged elites and the suffering masses widens as they plunder the nation's wealth for their own selfish gains. The annexation of Crimea was an audacious violation of international law, a blatant disregard for the sovereignty of a neighboring nation. Putin's aggressive actions in Ukraine have led to ongoing conflicts and strained relations with the international community, tarnishing Russia's reputation. The suppression of independent media outlets is a testament to Putin's desire to control the narrative and manipulate public opinion. Through censorship and pressure, he stifles unbiased reporting, leaving the populace in a state of ignorance and misinformation. Putin's iron grip on power has obstructed the development of a healthy political system. The absence of a peaceful transfer of power deprives the nation of new leadership and fresh ideas, stifling democratic principles and perpetuating the oppressive status quo. It is clear that Putin's reign is marked by a catalogue of atrocities, from the erosion of democracy and human rights abuses to corruption and geopolitical aggression. Russia deserves better than this tyrant who undermines its potential and tramples upon the rights and aspirations of its people.